Find solution of algebraic equation. Solve by inspection. Here we have 6 questions for you to practice. You can pause the video, copy the question, solve them, and then look into my suggestion. Well, these are 6 basic questions which will give you foundation for solving any algebraic equation. So these ones can be solved by inspection. So I'd like you to look into these equations carefully, find out the solution, and then check your solution. Here is my suggestion. When we say x minus something equals to 7, that means x should be 4 more than 7, right? Here it is x minus 4 equals to 7. So x should be what? 11, right? 4 plus 7 is 11. So 11 seems to be the right answer. You can try it out. 11 minus 4 is indeed 7, right? So this kind of a solution is solution by inspection. In the coming videos, we'll learn different methods of solving algebraic equation. Now here we'll continue with solving by inspection. X plus 2 equals to 9. So what plus 2 is 9? That's how we should look into it, right? We know 7 plus 2 is 9. So since 7 plus 2 equals to 9, we say, well, x is equals to 7. So whenever you solve, you have to write down your answer. In previous case, we did not. Let's write it down. X equals to 11 is the solution, right? So when we say solve, that means to find the value of x, which will make left side equals to right side. So that is the meaning of solve. So solve means to make left side equals to right side. Left side of equation equal to sign, right? So let's do the same thing for part C, D, E, and F. 2 times x equals to 12. Left side is 2 times x, right is 12. How can we make them same? 2 times what is 12? 2 times 6, right? So that means x is equals to 6. That is the solution. So when we have to solve by inspection, you can write down the answer straight away, do some mental math, and get your answer, right? It's a good idea to check also. Let's check. So 2 times normally can be written in brackets. 2 times 6 is indeed 12. So that is our check, correct? D is half of x equals to 7. Half of what number is 7? So it is important to ask this question. Half of what number is 7? Half of 14, right? So, okay, so that means x should be equal to 14. That becomes our solution. Well, you can always check it, right? Just as we did here. 14 divided by 2 is indeed 7, correct? So that is how we solve by inspection. Now we have 2 interesting questions. One is minus 2 over 3x equals to 0. It looks complicated, but you should know anything multiplied by 0 is 0, so x is nothing but 0, correct? So that is what x is. So that is the solution for this equation. Last one is x plus 1 equals to 0. Now what should you add to 1 so that you make it 0? Well, the number minus 1, of course. So x equals to minus 1 becomes this solution. So that is how we can solve simple equations using inspection method, right? And it's always good to check your answer also. Now we'll explore some other methods which will follow the same criteria of adding negative numbers, right? Reverse operation to solve an equation. We'll explore that kind of method in the coming videos. Hope that helps. Thank you and all the best.